By 2030, 39% of today's skills will be obsolete. But these 5 tech skills, they'll be worth their weight in gold. What's up everyone? If you're watching this, you're probably thinking about your future, wondering which tech skills are actually worth your time. Here's the reality. The World Economic Forum predicts 170 million new jobs will be created by 2030, but 92 million roles will disappear. That's a net gain of 78 million opportunities, but only if you have the right skills. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 tech skills that won't just survive until 2030. They'll be more valuable than ever. And I'm not talking about skills that'll be automated away. These are the ones that'll make you irreplaceable. Let's dive in. Skill number 1. AI and machine learning mastery. Let's start with the obvious but essential one. AI and machine learning. But here's what most people get wrong. It's not about using ChatGPT or Midjourney anymore. By 2030, that'll be like saying, I can use Google on your resume. What actually matters? The real skill is understanding how to build, train, and optimize AI systems. We're talking about agentic AI, systems that can complete entire workflows autonomously. In 2025, we're already seeing AI agents that schedule meetings, analyze reports, and make real-time decisions. By 2030, they'll be running entire departments. AI jobs are expected to grow 30 to 40% across all industries by 2030. The AI market is projected to hit $826 billion by 2030. 95% of professionals already use AI at work or home in 2025. What you need to learn: programming languages, Python, R, Java deep learning frameworks, TensorFlow, PyTorch, understanding of neural networks and model optimization, AI ethics, and explainable AI because regulations are coming. Pro tip: don't just learn to use AI tools, learn to build them. The difference between an AI user and an AI creator is the difference between minimum wage and a 6-figure salary. Skill number 2. Cybersecurity and network defense. Here's a scary stat. Cybercrime is expected to cost the global economy over $10 trillion annually by 2030. Why this skill is exploding? Every AI system, every IoT device, every cloud migration creates new vulnerabilities. And here's the kicker. Cybersecurity wasn't even in the top 10 demanded skills through 2025, but it's showing one of the biggest increases expected by 2030. With autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and AI-powered everything, the attack surface is growing exponentially. Organizations need people who can think like hackers but fight for the good guys. What makes 2030 different? We're moving beyond traditional firewalls. The future is AI-driven security systems that detect threats in real time. Quantum-resistant cryptography because quantum computers will break current encryption. Zero-trust architecture, where nothing is trusted by default. Privacy-preserving computation like federated learning and homomorphic encryption. The roles that'll dominate: AI cyber defense officer, quantum security analyst, zero trust architect, growth prediction, 35% plus growth, especially in finance, healthcare, and government sectors. If you can combine AI knowledge with cybersecurity expertise, you'll be writing your own paycheck. Skill number 3. Cloud computing and data architecture. The cloud computing market is exploding from $570 billion to $2.5 trillion by 2030. That's more than 4 times growth. But here's what's changing. It's not just about migrating to AWS or Azure anymore. By 2030, we're talking about multi-cloud and hybrid architectures that span multiple providers. Edge computing, bringing processing power closer to where data is generated, serverless and containerized applications using Docker and Kubernetes. Green cloud solutions, because energy efficiency is becoming critical. The real skill gap. 59% of the workforce will need upskilling or reskilling by 2030, and cloud architecture is at the top of that list. Companies aren't looking for people who just know how to use cloud services. They need data science architects who can design entire ecosystems that handle petabytes of data. What you should master: major cloud platforms, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, containerization, Docker, Kubernetes, data pipeline design and optimization, cloud security and compliance, understanding of distributed systems. The bottom line: As more companies complete their digital transformation, cloud engineers who can manage complex, secure, and efficient systems will be in massive demand. Skill number 4, data science and analytics. Data is still the new oil, but by 2030, most companies will be drowning in it. The World Economic Forum projects 11.5 million new data jobs globally by 2030. Here's the evolution. In 2025, we're already seeing 90% of companies increase their AI adoption, but only 8% say their efforts are fully mature. The problem? They have the data but don't know what to do with it. The 2030 data scientist doesn't just analyze past data, they build predictive models that make decisions, uses AI to process unstructured data, emails, PDFs, videos, call transcripts, implements real-time analytics that drive instant business decisions. Technical skills you need: programming, Python or SQL, data visualization, Tableau, Power BI, D3.js, machine learning libraries, scikit-learn, pandas, statistical modeling and hypothesis testing, big data technologies, Hadoop, Spark, the emerging specializations, predictive analytics specialist, decision scientists, data strategists who translate insights into business value. Fun fact, companies using ML in their decision-making process see up to 20% declines in customer churn and 10% increases in new product sales. Skill number 5, creative problem solving and adaptability. Why soft skills matter more in 2030. As AI handles more routine tasks, the uniquely human abilities become more valuable, not less. The World Economic Forum lists creative thinking, resilience, flexibility, and adaptability as top skills, alongside AI and cybersecurity. Here's why. By 2030, most jobs will require a blend of technical and human skills. Engineering leaders won't just need to know code, they need to guide cross-functional teams through AI transformation, think critically about problems AI can't solve, collaborate across departments, and break down tech silos, adapt to technologies that don't even exist yet. The stats back this up. Research shows that effective IT leadership combining technical expertise with people skills can cut tech costs by 30% while driving productivity up. Skills that make you irreplaceable: critical thinking and complex problem solving, emotional intelligence and empathy, leadership and social influence, curiosity and lifelong learning mindset, ability to communicate technical concepts to non-technical people, real talk. The person who can code and communicate, who understands AI and understands people, that's the person who will be leading teams and companies in 2030. So there you have it, the 5 tech skills that will absolutely still matter in 2030. Here's my challenge to you. Pick one of these skills and commit to learning it for the next 90 days. The future isn't coming, it's already here. The question is, will you be ready? If you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more career and tech insights, and drop a comment telling me which skill you're going to focus on.